Nangarap lang po ako magkaroon ng maraming time sa aking mga anak. Extra 500 to 1,000 a month. Pero ang Panginoon, binigyan ako more than what I dreamed for. Dahil sa negosyong ito. Kaya it's your turn. It's your time. Kung kayo ay naghanap ng extra income, it might be for you as well. Ako po guys, sila Arnie Bolt from Texas, USA, a mom of two and a registered nurse by profession. Andito ako para i-share sa inyo ang isa pong negosyo na amin pong nasimulan June of 2023 na unti-unti na pong nakapagbago sa aming buhay. Ngayon, I was able to slow down na sa aking nursing job. From working 5 to 6 days a week, I only work 2 to 3 days a week now as needed dahil sa negosyong ito. Nakakapag-travel na po kami 6 times a year dahil sa negosyong ito. Nadala ko ang aking mom dito sa US at nakapag-cruise with us for 9 days sa Caribbean. At andito ako ngayon with my kids. Come on, Isaiah. And this is my son. And my daughter is with my husband right now. As a sole provider po, guys, ako lang po ang nagtatrabaho before because my husband takes care of our kids full time. Kaya I was desperate of looking for extra income. Desperate po ako na makapag-spend ng more time sa aking mga anak. 5 to 6 days a week ako nagtatrabaho. Wala na pong time sa kanila. I'm burned out, exhausted, looking for a way out. At na-introduce itong business na ito na isa din pong nurse dito sa US. Kaya I'm very grateful and blessed. God's truly answered prayer. Ngayon, nakapag-slow down na ako guys. We are able to travel back home in the Philippines without worries. Dati guys, it took us 5 years para makauwi lang na sa Pinas. Mag-ipon. At yung ipon mo, pagbalik mo dito sa US, ubos na naman. The cycle goes on. Kaya if you wanna break that cycle, check this business out. Wala pong mawawala sa inyo dahil complimentary po ang ating free information video. And after yung mapanood ng video, connect with me. Send me a message para mag-guide ko kayo sa next step po. And I'll be happy to mentor you moving forward. You will not figure this out alone because we have a very supportive community and I will be walking you through out the business. Ang kailangan nyo lang ay that burning desire for change for your family. Ang kailangan nyo lang maging coachable, willing to learn, and malaking paniniwala sa iyong sarili at sa Panginoon. We don't sell any product here. We don't recruit family or friends. You don't have to be tech savvy. You don't have to have a business experience. Kagaya ko, I've been doing nursing all my life. Wala pa akong business experience. Dahil sa business na ito na may proven system, ang program na ito ay good for us busy parents, yung mga walang alam sa negosyo. Dahil tuturuan po tayo step by step para maging successful din sa business na ito. Kaya when you are ready, I'll be here to guide you at ituturo ko sa inyo ang steps na aking ginawa para maging matagumpay sa negosyong ito. I will be honored to mentor you all the way, guys. Thank you again for watching this video, and I truly believe you did not watch this video by accident. But it's only divine appointment, kagaya ko dati, guys. Kaya it's your turn, it's your time. Kung kayo ay naghanap ng extra income, it might be for you as well. And I'll be here to guide you. I'm very excited for you. Thank you again for your time. Thank you for watching this video. And I hope I will see you inside our community as your mentor. This is Larnie Booth once again. And thank you guys. Send me a message right away and I will help you to the next step. Bye guys. God bless.